Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to revise the topic which we have done in the last week, the water. Students, what we have learned about the water? We have learned the importance of water in our life, where and how we use water, uses of water, sources of water, and many other things. Let's start, students. As we have learned, water is very important for us. We can't live without water. We need water to drink. Even animals also need water for drinking to live. Plants also need water to live. We give water to plants. Now students, let's discuss about the sources of water. From where we get water, students, as we have learned in our previous session that we get water from wells, rivers, oceans, ponds, seas, etc. Now students, let's revise the uses of water. Student, water is very important for us to live. We drink water. We use it for cleaning dishes, cars, bikes, cycles, etc. We use it for washing clothes. We use it cooking. We use water for brushing. Who uses of water for planting? Students, as water is important for us, so we should not waste it and we should save it. Now students, I tell you some tips to preserve water. We should not leave the tap open. We should not throw water. We should wash our vehicles with bucket instead of pipes. Now students, open your book, Can Achiever Level 5. Open page number 53. Here students, you will tick and cross the pictures. We will tick the picture in which there is the work we should do, and we will cross the picture in which there is a work which we should not do. Like in the first picture, the tub is full of water and the girl standing over there is taking on phone. Instead of closing tap, so we should not do this, so cross the first picture. The second picture is a picture of a girl brushing and tap is open, and we should not leave the tap open, so cross the picture. The third picture is a picture of a girl throwing water with the pipe, but we should not throw the water in plants and waste it. Instead of it, we should close the tap, so cross the picture. Now students, the fourth picture is a picture of a girl giving water to the plants. We should also give water to plants, so take the picture in which the girl is giving water to the plants. Now students, in the next picture is a picture of a girl closing the tap, so we should close the tap, so take the picture in which the girl is closing the tap. Now students, in the last picture, the girl is brushing and she has closed the tap. We should also close the tap while brushing. So take the picture in which the girl has closed the tap while brushing. Now students, let's do an activity to learn about the polluted water and fresh water. Students, for this activity have 2 glasses of water. In 1 glass of water you should put some sand and mix it. After that, for some time sit still, and you will observe that the impurities of sand in the water will sit down in the glass. From this activity, students, you will observe that in the impure water there are impurities settled down in the glass like this, and the color is changing of water is brown. Now students, recite the story The Pot of Water. Once there were 2 boys. One was very naughty and the other one was very good. One day they were playing. They saw a tap and there was a bucket under the tap. The naughty boy opened the tap and bucket got full of water. The water started flowing out of the bucket. The good boy came and he closed the tap and stopped the water from flowing. He told the bad boy about importance of water, and he said we should not waste water and save it. Moral: water is very important for our life, so we should not waste it. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.